Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of you. Today in this video I'll show you some amazing thing of Microsoft Excel. Okay, here already in the last videos we have seen some like formulas and functions, those things we have seen. In this video again we'll see function and either function or formula we'll see, and at the same time we'll see if function. Okay, previously we have seen how to do the calculation like summation. We have find out maximum value, minimum value, all those things we have seen. We have seen auto sum as well, but in this video I'll show you how to implement if function. At the same time I'll show you some amazing trick of taking printout in Excel, which I find many people to face the same kind of problem. I have tried to solve that problem in this video. Okay, so let's start with Excel. Let me open it. I just have opened here. These data was already there. Few were left. I'm just copying and pasting. Control C for copy, Control V for paste. All of you know that. That's what I'm doing. Okay, two more is left. Just simply copying and pasting the value. Now all of you know how to find out total. I'm not wasting too much time over here. It's equal to sum, open bracket, select from here till the end. Okay, close bracket, done. This is already done in my previous videos. So if I bring my mouse pointer here, I will just drag and drop, drag it till the end. I got all the total. I am keeping it into the center. This one also I kept into the center. Now what I want to show you guys is how can I find out the GPA. Let's say a student who got less than 400, okay, is fail, like 400 to 500 grade C, then 501 to let's say 600 is grade B, and above that is grade A. I would like to find out something like that. There is nobody fail here, so I am making someone fail in that condition. Let's say this guy who got 615. If I change the value over here, I'm making him little less. Okay, now here got only this, there he got 45. So 450, less than 450, I'll show you fail. So what I will do is I'll write down the function now. I will start with equal to if. If is a function. Here I can give the condition. I'll give the bracket, this mark. I am not entering the mark, rather I have given the cell address. It's L7 is less than 450. Put a comma, inside double quotation write down fail, double quotation close. Okay, again a comma, if, bracket open, same one, less than, I have given 550, comma, in double quotation I would like to give the grade is C, again comma, again if, first bracket, it's L7, so I have written L7. You can click on that also, is less than, let's say 650 is B, so comma, inside double quotation I have given B. If someone gets 650 or more, he will get A. So I do not need to, for the last one I do not need to write down that if condition, just double quotation A, double quotation close. How many open bracket? 1 2 3. So first one, see the color is changing, second one changing, and third one is done. So if I press enter now, I got that. Again, see here the cell value here, this is the cell address, less than 450 fail. This is I'm just assuming and given 450 by to show you the how to write down the if condition. Now a comma, again if, see this one 550, if less than 550 the value, that means this value if is less than 550 it will be C. If it is not, it will check again, is it less than 650? If it is yes, it will be, otherwise A. That means those who will get 650 and above, they will get A. So this guy got 660, so A. So I just have click outside, again I have select this, I'll drag it. So hopefully all of you understood. If I would like to bring it into the center, select it, align, click on align center, we got it. So one guy failed and remaining most of them got A, few of them got B, okay, nobody got C. So this is how we can write if function. Now when you will open Excel, let's say if I go here, over here there is no lines. Let me go to print. Simply I have gone, I'll show you why. Now can you see the dotted lines? This dotted line indicates from here till this and from here till this is my page number 1, first page. It will come into my first page if I take the printout of this page. Again I am going back. This indicates over here these columns will go outside my first page, which I don't want. So there are two ways. See, I will have to change the page format instead of portrait to landscape, or anyhow I will have to bring these things inside. Now how can I bring these things inside? I will show you. So what I will do, I'll go to file, then print, okay. Here, oh, one more thing I forgot to tell you. See, once you take printout, see there are no lines. The lines that we have seen over there, that line is called, those lines are called grid lines. But here the grid lines are not displaying. There is no display of grid lines. That means if I take printout of this page, it will be like, it seems to be like I have taken the printout in MS Word, but it is not. Now again here after biology, those things are not being shown, like those are after the dotted lines. So what I will do is I will click on page setup. I have clicked it. Now see the adjust to, I will reduce it. See, once I click OK, up to BGS came. It's not done yet. Let me make it a little more smaller. We got total, not yet done. Now we got GPA. So this is perfect. Okay, again I am going back. What I have done, adjust to, I have minimized it from 100% to this. This means all the cells will be smaller. From 100% it came to 70%, and it has been synchronized, synced, and get inside. Now if I want to get grid lines over here, I will have to go to the set, and here can you see grid lines? If I select grid lines, I can see grid lines over. Let's see, we got the grid line. That means if I take print out now, these lines will come. Any more things there? Okay, landscape, as I told you, know landscape, it is portrait condition, it will be like flat. So I don't want that, I want in this way. So I have clicked on OK. And now if I give print command, it will be printed where? Into my this printer, which is connected with my PC. Assume that I am not in my home, I am working in an office, and my director or my accounts wants this printout. This file is in my PC. I have a printer. One thing I can do is I will take printout, I will carry it and give it to him. That is one way to do it. There is another way. If there is a network into the organization and all the printers connected are being shared into the network. Let's say the accounts want it and they have a printer, okay, that is also being shared as it is there is a network. So what I will have to do is, instead of clicking on print, from here I can select the printers, all the installed printers of the network. Assume this belongs to the accounts. I know that very well. So I will click over here, and then if I print, instead of printing it into my printer, which the printer connected with my PC, it will be printed where? Into that accounts. Hopefully all of you have understood. Okay, these printing options. Today only up to this much. Again, you see here these things how I have done this, I already have discussed in my previous videos. And this serial number, how to bring it 1 2 3 4, I already have given over there also. Again I am showing. Select, don't write 1 1 2 and then drag, it will come automatically. This is how I have brought today up to this much. In my next video I will bring something else. There are so many important things over here that I want to bring into my next video. Thank you very much.